Here we've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark II, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So if you would like to apply night light in this Xperia, you have two options. You can either smoothly slide down the upper bar, then locate it. If it's not here, you can smoothly customize it. Just click here and now drag it to your upper bar, and as you can see now, if you will slide it down, you will locate night light right here. Smoothly click on it and now it is active. Then you can switch it off the same way, smoothly by tapping. But also you can access this feature through the settings. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, locate and open display, and here you have to go to the advanced features, go to night light, just click on it, and now you can smoothly activate it right now by tapping on turn on now, and then you can change the intensity just by tapping on the scale. Obviously you can switch it off the same way by tapping on turn off now. But also this mode allows you to schedule night light. To do it, click on schedule, and you can either pick from sunset to sunrise or turns on at custom time. So let me show you how to customize it. Once you select custom time, you can pick start hour. So let me pick 11 and 7 as the end hour. So from now on, between those hours, every day your night light will be active. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.